No one will ever love you the way I do, Gladys. What? I always name my pizzas. Now come to Papa. No! Gladys! You were far too young. Gah! What is that annoying sound? Hey! Who are you?
The name is Werner Wermen. I hereby claim ownership of this cottage and all its contents. You will leave immediately!
Aha! You're that pesky buzzard I saw lurking by the lake! What? Now you listen here, pal. Why?
Climb! It is useless. Your cottage is mine.
Buzz, the buzzard, and people think my name is lazy.
My sentiments, exactly.
Want some more, eh?
This match will get red hot and begin.
Next event, the pole vault.
I suppose you have left me no options. Except this one!
Get back here, Buzzy boy. Then we just take a momentary Bowling is right up my alley. Now I'm getting the spins. Smell you later. On guard? You mean on dishwasher? Buzz, you need better material. Sounding crazy. Gotcha. Don't gotcha.
Ow! That really hurt! You know what? Forget this! I'm out of here!